Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Savita and today I will share how to use black salt in different ways and what are the benefits of this black salt. This black salt is also called as protection salt. So you will take a black cloth or a black pouch like this and put some black salt in it and tie it, and you will hang this outside the main door of your house, office, shop or your workplace. This will protect your place from negative energy, negative people, evil eye, and negative thoughts entering your place. It will also clear all the blockages and obstacles. Similarly, you can keep this pouch in every corner of your rooms for protection from negative energy, and you can also keep this under your bed or mattress. Now, you will keep this on a new moon, okay, and change it on the next new moon. You can also do this on a Saturday, and if you are doing it on a Saturday, then change it after a month. And the old one you will throw it in a dustbin outside your house. Okay. Another way which you can use is take a small bowl of clay or glass and put the salt in it and keep this in your place, that is your house or office or shop. And if you have kids and pets in your house, then please keep this bowl at a height where they are not reachable. Okay, this will protect your family and you from all kinds of negative energies and negative people who visit your place. Now you will keep this on a Saturday and change it after a week. And this salt, before throwing it, you will wrap it in a paper or a tissue and then throw it in a dustbin outside your house. Another way which you can use is sprinkle this salt daily outside your house, office or your workplace, and you will sprinkle with an intention that you are protected from all kinds of negativity. Just sprinkle a pinch of it. Okay. Another way is make a small pouch of this salt like this and keep it in your purse, your wallet, your cash box, your locker to protect your finance from all negativity. Okay. You can keep this pouch in your car and your child's bag for protection from negativity. And you will keep this on a Saturday or a new moon and change it on the next new moon or after a month. Okay, discarding is same. Throw it in a dustbin outside your house. You can also use this salt in your rituals. Okay, rituals for protection from love, from all negative energies and negativity. These are color candles. If you do not have them, it's fine, you can use a white candle. Okay, so if we are doing for protection for ourselves or to protect our love life or to protect your finances, then what you will do is take the candle and rub it between your palms, and then you will write your name and your family name, and you will write protection. Okay, if you are doing it for your finance, you will write your name and you will write prosperity. And if you are doing it for love, to be protected, then you will write your name and your partner's name and you will write love. Okay, you can do it on a white candle also. And then after you write the name, you will apply olive oil or coconut oil. Here, as we are doing for protection, you can apply in any direction, it's fine. And then you will burn the candle and you will take this black salt and sprinkle it around the candle so that your ritual is protected. For whatever purpose you are doing this ritual, it is protected. Okay. Another way which you can use is you can use it, the salt, for your bath too. That is, take little salt and add few drops of water and scrub it all over your body with an intention that you are protected from all negative energies. Okay, and then you take your bath. Here, if you have sensitive skin or skin problem, then you can avoid this. Okay, another way which you can use this salt is in your floor wash. Put the salt in water and then you can wipe your floor with this to remove all negative energies and blockages. Have faith and use them. And I have also made a video on how to make this black salt. You can watch it at the end of this video. And if you have any doubt, then write it in the comment section. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.